Hello vlog! Happy Friday, welcome back to the vlog. I low-key just finished to wrap up my last vlog, and so it does feel kind of weird to jump in and start a brand new one on the spot, but here it goes. I was looking at the calendar the other day and like planning and scheduling a whole bunch of videos, and I realized that this vlog is going to be up in September because we got some exciting things coming up. There's the Sabrina Carpenter album Dropout, of course, and then I also got the Superdrug event coming up, and that's like a big thing on my channel where I take you guys along and then I show you guys every single thing that's in the goodie bag. And so that's gonna be pretty much 2 weeks worth of uploads, and this vlog will then be postponed in September. And I had this idea of do a last day of summer kind of vlog. I've done a proper summer bucket list last year, and I filmed a whole little video showing you guys me literally going through my bucket list and get to do all these fun things. I wanted to do the same this year, but not gonna lie, I never ended up sitting down and writing the bucket list. But there's this one specific thing on my mind that I wanted to do, and it's a very like easy, subtle thing. It's nothing too crazy, and I feel like the weather is finally good for it. I want to do a cute little picnic with my boyfriend. I need to go out and like get the supplies. I want to get like a little cheese board from Marks & Spencer. I already got a little sparkling wine that we're gonna drink. He has no idea that I'm planning this whole thing, so it's gonna be pretty cool to go pick him up from work and then surprise him. That's gonna happen later on in the vlog, and I think how I'm gonna do this video is that I'm gonna pick the camera up on like random days when I do like random fun things. I'm for sure gonna vlog on Monday because it's gonna be the last day that I can do yoga with my yoga instructor. She's going on holiday for like 4 weeks, and so I won't have a proper yoga class every single Monday after that. But I'm thinking on starting a Chloe Ting workout again. I used to do those back in the days, and I feel like I definitely need it. Also, this guy arrived today. You know the drill, we're gonna open it together. If you're caught up with the vlogs, you know that I went to the mall not too long ago and I tried on this Stradivarius dress. I ended up not getting it, but I took a picture of it, and I would stare at the picture like every single day, and I realized that I regret not getting the dress, and so here it is. I ended up ordering it online. I'm gonna try it on for you guys because I think this looks so cute, and I think it's gonna be pretty versatile going into like the fall season because I can definitely throw a little like jumper or cardigan on top, and I don't know, I just think it's gonna be so cute. And then to avoid paying for shipping because I just simply cannot justify it, I ended up getting these very basic black t-shirts. I only have one black t-shirt, and not gonna lie, it's kind of old, so I thought it was time to upgrade to a new one. Let's try everything on, shall we? Starting off with the t-shirt, and not gonna lie, I don't think I'm a fan. I thought I ordered an extra small, but I did indeed make the mistake of ordering a small, and I think I'm gonna return this one. And then here's the dress. I think it's super cute. As a small boob girly, I think this cut is super flattering. The only annoying part is that there are 3 little like marks or stains, which is definitely annoying because when you order a brand new dress, you definitely don't expect that. I'm gonna try and see if I can take them out. If not, I'll have to return it and just get a different one. I do think it's super cute though. And the back as well. So a while later, I had lunch and didn't record it because I was literally starving, and then I filmed the Vinted review after that. I'm gonna quickly show you guys my outfit and then we're gonna head out. Here's my very basic picnic outfit. I'm wearing these overall from Jennifer, and then the white top is from Zara, and of course we're pairing everything off with some Converse. I told you guys the plan already. Everything is pretty much packed. I just need to go to Marks & Spencer and get the last few bits, and then we're gonna go get my boyfriend.
Walked over, joined in the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fun. Yeah. Said by and asked what's been up. Kept talking month after month. Your time, I can't get enough. Not alone anymore. You could be the one I'm looking for. You could be the one my heart adores. Got me in my...
Hi guys, happy Monday. You know the drill. I'm about to go to yoga. My boyfriend is actually coming with, so that's gonna be super fun. And then after that, the plan is to go to a little pub nearby and like order like pizza or something. I'm currently rocking my natural hair, as you guys can tell. I'm gonna show you my outfit real quick, although it's nothing special, and then we're gonna head out. Also, I painted my nails this cute red color. So here's my base outfit. Both the top and the shorts are from Hollister. I'm wearing my black Converse, which are definitely due to be cleaned. And then since it's a bit chilly outside, I'm also gonna wear these Levi's little sweater. I got this in Romania, if you guys remembered, and I used to be obsessed with it. But I feel like the red is a bit faded and I'm just not reaching out to it as much. So I might put it on Vinted. Let me know if you're interested. Let's go.
Won't let it show. You're what I'm looking for. You had me at the door. Walked in, I need some more of you. I need you in my life. I want you all the time.
Ma do panciauro.
Falling through the sky for you.
Happy Friday, welcome back to the vlog. I just finished to film my reaction for Sabrina Carpenter new album, and pretty sure that video is gonna be up already by the time this vlog is live, so I'm gonna make sure to link it down below and of course in the eye. But oh my god, what an album. The last thing that I filmed was us going to Swift in Soho. We had such a great time and I tried to vlog a little bit more while we were in there, but I just watched all the footage back and you're not able to hear a single thing that I say, so that's a bit annoying. I do want to go ahead and buy a microphone for this camera. This was also part of the reason why I wanted to get the Mark III, but I am still yet to find a microphone that's suited for this camera. So if you have any suggestion, if you have a Canon G7X Mark III, definitely let me know which microphone you use in the comments. My boyfriend got me the DJI mics for, I think it was either Christmas or my birthday, and I love the idea of those, but the whole setup will be a bit bulky and I know it's just not something that I would feel comfortable with. Definitely let me know your suggestion down below. All of that aside, as you can tell, I am wearing a little hoodie, and that's because it's a little chilly outside. We're still in August as I'm filming these, like the very end of August, but it does feel like summer is officially over in the UK, which I am a little sad about, not gonna lie. So I thought that between today and tomorrow I would wrap up this video. My boyfriend is doing a morning shift, so I think I'm gonna go to King's Cross, pick him up, we'll have a drink somewhere, and then we're gonna grab all the ingredients to make ramen tonight. I got this gorgeous ramen bowl set from TK Maxx and I'm like obsessed with it. Seriously though, how cute. It came with matching chopstick and a little spoon, and it was only £8 for this whole thing, so I definitely think that's a great deal. And then I also picked this little ramen kit from Lidl.
Different lies, but I might try for one of a kind. I might try for you can see through oversight, baby, yeah. One time for my girl back home.
It's the following day. I ended up having a very long phone call with my best friend yesterday, and so I didn't really continue the vlog. But as you saw, I went to King's Cross, I had drinks with my boyfriend, and then we made ramen, which was super yummy. The steak, 10 out of 10. Both my H&M and Vinted parcels arrived, so I thought I could quickly show you guys what I got before wrapping up this video. Starting with H&M. If you saw my last vlog, you're probably familiar with this little tennis skirt. I ordered it in a size small, but it was a little too big, and so I ended up returning that one and I placed the order again in a size extra small. Okay, these are very similar. I also got these two pair of biker shirts, and I got them in 2 different shades of pink because I wasn't sure which shade of pink the top I got from Vinted was, but these are low-key so similar. This is how they look like. We'll have to try everything on. And then as for Vinted, aww, that is so cute. I also tend to write a little note when somebody orders from my Vinted, but this is a first. So this is the little top. Now let's try everything on. Here's the top and skirt combo. I'm literally obsessed. It's the same shade of pink, which makes me so happy, and also it fits me like a glove. I got the top in a size small and I was a little concerned because I thought it was going to be too big, but no, it's perfect. Plus the boobs look so good. Also the skirts, I'm so happy I ended up returning to small and getting the extra smalls because it fits me so much better, and it does indeed comes with some shorts and some pockets as well. I am a little sad that summer is over because I don't really know when I will be able to wear this because it might be too cold, but I'm literally obsessed. Here we have it with the biker shirts. I'm not gonna bother to try the ones in soft pink because the pink is indeed the shade that matches the top. I don't know what it is, but I'm not a fan, so I think I might end up returning these. That's it for these end of summer vlog. Really hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you like to see from me, and of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I walked away the way I've done before. You know I've always tried to get myself out.